Have you also encountered problem while creating fake WhatsApp account, like either you don't receive the OTP or sometimes applications are paid or you have to collect coins? But don't worry, the trick I am gonna share is latest and working. Mostly people on YouTube won't show you date and time of the video and gives you fake information. But I will show you date also, which app version I am using and from where you can download the application. So first of all, let me show you how you can get the number, and the sign up process I will tell you later in the video. So first of all, head over to this app and here click on plus icon and give any name and then save. You will get the number, but it is not necessary that the number you got will work. So you have to try 4 to 5 numbers and I will show which number you will get OTP. So if you get this message, we couldn't send an SMS to your number, then leave that number, you won't get OTP on this. Get another number by clicking on plus icon and save.
Jack it up.
Now check that number in WhatsApp. See here, directly timer started without any message. So in this case, you will get the OTP as an SMS. And now you can see we got the OTP. Now fill the OTP here. Now let me show you the number is same as we got in the app. Now to make this number permanent, you have to add two-step verification code so that you won't lose this number. And for now, I am skipping adding email, but you should not. You can add email, then definitely no one will take your number. Now let's move into the next part, how to sign up and where you will get this app. So you will get this app only on our Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. So download it from there. And you can download from Play Store also if it is available for you. It is the same version of Play Store. So create an account with any temp mail. And then verify your email. Now give all permission it asks. Now sometimes you may face this error of java.lang or something like that. So for that the solution is either clear the app data or uninstall and install again, or you can try with VPN also. You have to try everything to get the number for free. That's all for this video guys. I hope you would like this video and do subscribe for more videos like this, and drop comment if you face any error, and also share your feedback whether you got the number or not in the comment section. And make sure to join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. Till then, see you in the next video.